In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically convert image URLs to images in Airtable. If you've ever collected image links in a table and wish they would appear as real, viewable images, this walkthrough is for you. The goal here is simple. Take a column of image URLs and turn them into actual attachments inside Airtable, so your records look clean, visual, and easy to scan. Before we begin, it helps if your base already has a field that stores the image link and another field of type attachment where the image will land. If you don't have that yet, just know that the automation you're about to trigger can guide you to map the right fields. First, go to Airtable in your browser. You can use the web app or the desktop app. Either works. Give it a moment to load your workspaces so everything is ready when you open the command tools we'll use. Next, click on your app or base where you want this to run. Open the table that contains the image URLs you want to convert. It's helpful to glance at a few rows and confirm the links look like actual image addresses, ideally ending in formats like .jpg or .png, and that they're publicly accessible. On the left side, click on Open Omni. This is Airtable's universal command palette and search bar rolled into one. It helps you find features fast and trigger powerful actions without hunting through menus. When it opens, you'll see a search box at the top. Type in Automate Convert Image URL to Image. As you type, you should see a result that matches that phrase. This action is designed to take the heavy lifting out of downloading images from links and attaching them to your records. It usually detects your current base and offers guidance to aim it at the right table and fields. Now, click Submit or press Enter. From here, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm the table, pick the field that contains the URLs, and choose the destination attachment field. The tool will handle the rest, fetching each image and saving it into your records. If you have many rows, be patient. Large files or slow links can take a bit of time. A few quick tips as it runs. Make sure the URLs are public and point directly to image files, since redirects or private links can fail. If something doesn't attach, check the link formatting on that row. For safety, consider trying it on a small set first and keep the app open until the process finishes. That's it. You've turned plain image links into real images in Airtable automatically and reliably.